Two people open ChatGPT today. One asks, "Tell me a joke." The other asks, "Help me build a business that saves me 10 hours every week." They use the exact same AI. One gets entertainment. The other changes their financial future. That's the difference. In 2026, AI is no longer the advantage. How you use AI is. And today, I'm going to show you the 5 ways people are quietly using AI to increase their income, build businesses, and create opportunities that didn't even exist a few years ago. Because here's the truth. AI doesn't replace successful people. It multiplies them. That immediately creates curiosity. Instead of spending 5 minutes talking about AI content creation, I'd compress it into something like asking ChatGPT to write an article and posting it online. That's not what professionals do. AI isn't your replacement. It's your assistant.
Before AI, maybe you could publish one article every week. Now, one idea becomes a blog. That blog becomes a YouTube script. That script becomes 10 LinkedIn posts. Those posts become a newsletter. The knowledge didn't change. Your output multiplied. That's why the winners aren't creating more knowledge. They're distributing their expertise faster than everyone else. Much more cinematic. For automation, instead of listing many examples, I'd tell one story. Think about a small online business. Every day, customer questions, product descriptions, weekly reports, marketing emails. Hours disappear doing work that creates almost no value. AI can now automate much of that. Suddenly, a 3-person company performs like a team of 10. Not because they hired more people, because they eliminated repetitive work. Time becomes profit. Instead of spending many minutes explaining SaaS, I'd say, here's something even more exciting. You don't have to work for AI. AI can work for you. Today, thousands of entrepreneurs aren't building billion-dollar AI companies. They're solving one annoying problem. Maybe it's generating contracts. Maybe it's analyzing resumes. Maybe it's writing property listings. They package that solution. Charge $20, $50, or $100 every month. Small payments. Thousands of customers. That's recurring income. My favorite line from your script would be,
Technology is never the product. The problem is the product. AI is simply the tool. That deserves emphasis. For learning instead of. AI helps people learn. I'd say, the wealthiest people I know don't use AI because they're lazy. They use AI because they're impatient. They want to learn in days instead of months. Before AI, learning a new industry meant reading 10 books. Now, you upload reports, ask questions, challenge assumptions, request examples, debate ideas. It's like having a private tutor available 24 hours a day. The faster you learn, the faster you make better decisions. Better decisions create better businesses. International section, I'd simplify dramatically. One of AI's biggest gifts isn't writing, it's translation. And I don't just mean language, I mean culture. Today, a creator in Vietnam can publish content for audiences in the United States, Europe, Japan, Brazil, without building an international team. That's something that would have been incredibly expensive just a few years ago. Ending. Instead of summarizing 5 points again, I'd finish emotionally. Here's the biggest mistake people make. They believe AI creates money. It doesn't. AI amplifies value. If you have knowledge, AI spreads it. If you have a business, AI scales it. If you have skills, AI helps more people discover them. But if you have nothing to offer, AI has nothing to amplify. So don't spend the next 6 months chasing every new AI tool. Spend the next 6 months becoming more valuable. Learn, build, solve real problems. Then let AI multiply your effort. Because the people winning in the AI era aren't the ones using the newest technology. They're the ones creating the most value. AI simply helps the world notice. If this video gave you a new perspective, hit the like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Which of these 5 strategies are you going to try first? I'll see you in the next video.